Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today we're going to be playing with, yes, if you thought it was something else, you're wrong. Ooh, come on. So I just brought me some new slime and I heard it was the best. So here, so stretchy and breakable. Watch. See? So here go yours. And here go mine. So, y'all don't want it? Psst, fine. Give me it back. So, what I added to make it more, you want to make it sticky, so you could just add anything. So, here, I'm going to show you. You just...
I got down. I pulled myself under my desk. I could hear gunshots and screaming.
Under your desk?
Yeah.
So eventually you want to add glue. If you got marbles in it, cool. Like me, because... and you could add, this hand sanitizer. Because I heard hand sanitizer makes it go, cuckoo. I don't mind touching glue, but I just don't want to touch it today. So you want to let the glue go inside of it. So I'm just like rubbing it like this and let the glue staple. Want you to see here, let me bring y'all to the light, because y'all want to see this.
I'm taking this to the judge. Say what? I didn't intimidate her. I didn't have to.
So, this is pink,
You'll get
yeah.
my motion dismissal.
And you could, do things with it, if you
Enjoy
saw
a
the
very
flip
merry
of
holiday
video,
season with 5
would,
all-new holiday movies.
this is nasty. Look at all those things. Do y'all see it? I wish y'all could see. Y'all see the marbles right up here? I added some marbles. I thought it would be pretty cute.
It's the Very Merry Recipe
Yeah,
Sweepstakes.
so, wait, maybe I could do this
No flavor
thing.
like home.
Yes,
For
poopy.
128 years, the holidays have started with the flavor of McCormick, with memories made around the table, and the tastes and aromas that show us there's no flavor like home.
You're not hungry, right, Kayla?
No.
Cleaning floors with a mop and bucket is a hassle.
Oh, it's
You
cold.
probably don't clean as often as you'd like. For a quick and convenient clean, try Swiffer WetJet. There's no heavy bucket or mop to wring out because the absorbent lock technology
guys,
traps
hold
dirt
on.
and liquid inside the pad. It's safe to use on all finished surfaces, tile, laminate, and hardwood, and it prevents streaks and hazing better than a microfiber strip mop, giving you a thorough clean the first time.
Okay, I'm back, guys. Hold
Try
on.
Swiffer WetJet with a money-back guarantee. Brand Power, helping you buy better.
Give joy, get joy at Kohl's, where this weekend fine jewelry is 60 to 70% off. Plus, take an extra 25% off. Give joy with a brilliant diamond bracelet, a diamond ring, or a sparkling diamond necklace and earring set. Give joy, get joy this weekend at Kohl's.
Daddy, can you close the window?
Lord wants me to tell you that St. Jude leads how the world treats and defeats childhood cancer. And she ate ice cream. Oh, I'm not supposed to tell that part, sorry. Donate now at stjude.org or shop where you see the St. Jude logo.
Sorry. Okay. So I got the hand sanitizer. I hope it doesn't turn sticky, because the hand sanitizer is like activator. So let me just spread this out. Okay, I only add a little because if you add that much, it's heard sticky wicky, and I don't want. Oh, I could feel it. I could really feel it. Yes. If it turns sticky, I swear to God, I'm not going to listen to this girl named Abracadabra anymore. Ugh. What if I lick these little marbles? Yes. It feels so cool, but at the same time, it feels so bad. Now I'm gonna do it again because I can see that it makes it a little bit stretchier. Not stretchy, maybe. Together. I added a little bit more just to see if it'll turn the way I asked for it. Oh my god, it's coming out of its shell. Stay in your shell. You know, I don't care if it comes out of your shell. Haha, gotcha. Ew. Yeah, I could definitely hear that. Oh, look at that. It's like a little mouse. That's cool, guys. Now it's like a little hat. So what you want to do to make it turn non-sticky, play with it.
And it still is. Levian chocolate diamond jewelry. Only Levian makes jewelry with
So you do this up and down like for 20 minutes. So I'll come back to y'all, okay guys? Okay guys, I'm back and look at this. It was never this stretchy and it's been like 20 minutes for now. I don't know if y'all think, comment down below, and if you comment how many minutes have it took me, I promise I'll give you a free slime. You tell me your address, follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Instagram name Queen Nikki. Yeah, Instagram name Queen Nikki and Snapchat name Yana Nikki 5. Ugh. If I didn't get it right, it's Yana Nikki 9 probably. And my Facebook name, Aleea Cutchins, ALEELEA, Cutchins, CUTCHIN. And thank you for watching. Let's get this to 5,000 likes, and I promise I'll do another slime video, and I'll let y'all decide what I should add into my slime with glue. Oh, see, even the slime said do it. La, 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 la. That looks so cool. That looks negative though, so I'm gonna stop. Okay, take it. I messed up my little slime down.
Why are you over there in that corner? And my speaker is not a stand for that.
Okay, hold up. Bye guys. Blah, 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 blah.